Warm greetings to all. In 1973, I started this Parameshwari Exports Pvt Ltd with just 10 employees in a small unit. Today we have a total capacity of over 300 plus employees and produce a wide range of household textiles products serving across the globe. Our employees are backbone of the company. We take care of them and their families like our own. Parameshwari is not just a company, it is a home for all of employees.
At Parameshwari Exports Private Limited, our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction has enabled us to expand and recognize globally clients across the world. We believe that customer satisfaction is the key to our success and constantly improving our product and services to meet their needs. For over 50 years, Parameshwari Exports Private Limited has built a legacy of trust, consistently delivering exceptional textile product with unwavering dedication to quality and excellence.
At Parameshwari, we understand the importance of quality in our product, so we take special care in that.
And our product undergo various quality checks to ensure that they meet the highest standards as per the industry norm. Our lab tests are conducted in-house as well as by third-party lab to ensure that our products meet the global standard. Let us take a look at the meticulous process of how we create our products from start to finish. At Parameshwari Exports Private Limited, quality is at the forefront of our manufacturing process. We begin by sourcing high-quality yarn from reliable and certified supplier, which undergoes a stringent dyeing process to ensure the right color and consistency. Precision weaving and accuracy are ensured with constant machine monitoring. Our team of experts carefully cut and stitch the fabric to create the finished product following strict quality control procedure. Our products undergo rigorous checks before leaving our facility, with any defects promptly addressed. The packaging department meticulously packs items to ensure they are delivered to customers in perfect combination. The finished product then undergoes a final inspection to ensure it meets all necessary standards.
At Parameshwari, we take responsibility in creating job opportunities by improving people's life through our social activities and reducing the environmental impact by implementing wastewater management and recycling processes.
We create products that are not only of the highest quality but are also sustainable and eco-friendly that help us build a better future for our people and the society. At Parameshwari Exports Private Limited, we are committed to adhering to government norms and protecting the environment. Hence, we have implemented a zero liquid discharge policy at our manufacturing facilities. The policy ensures that we treat and reuse 95% of our wastewater within our facilities in strict compliance with environmental regulations. By efficiently managing our water resources, we aim to minimize our ecological impact and contribute to a sustainable future. Our wastewater treatment plant uses advanced techniques like reverse osmosis, evaporation, and crystallization to recover and reuse the treated water. By doing so, we not only conserve water resources, but we also reduce the environmental impact of our manufacturing processes. Our legacy is built on our commitment to producing sustainable textile products and providing a safe and happy working environment for our employees. We are proud to be a pioneer in the industry and constantly working hard to create a sustainable future for the society that we are a part of. We have obtained various certifications that validate our practices and ensure that our products meet the stringent requirements set by international bodies. We are Parameshwari Exports Private Limited.